Did you know artichokes have great benefits for your health? In this video by The Daily Eco, we'll explain their benefits and how to incorporate artichokes into your diet. Number 1. Reduces gallstones. Artichokes work on the gallbladder by increasing bile production, helping prevent gallstones and easing their symptoms. This helps your digestive system work better. Number 2. Aids digestion. They help your digestion by making the gallbladder produce juices that break down fats better. Their high fiber content also improves intestinal movement and helps prevent constipation. Number 3. Removes extra fluid. Artichokes help your body release stored fluid and reduce swelling. Because they help remove extra fluid and improve fat digestion, artichokes work well as part of a balanced diet and weight loss plans. Number 4. Cleans the liver. Artichokes help your liver by removing toxins and helping cells rebuild. They help treat hepatitis, cirrhosis, and fatty liver. They also protect the liver from damage caused by alcohol and some medications. Number 5. Lowers blood pressure. Artichokes help lower blood pressure, but how? Well, they remove extra fluid from your body, which helps control blood pressure levels. Number 6. Reduces blood sugar. Artichokes contain inulin, a soluble fiber that helps keep blood sugar steady. This makes them great for managing diabetes. How to use artichokes? Well, you can add them to your diet in many ways. Steam, boil, or bake them and eat the soft part of their leaves, or use their hearts in salads, stews, or sauces. You can make artichoke tea with fresh vegetables or dried leaves boiled in water. Mix it with other cleansing herbs if you like. For best results, drink the tea up to 3 months, then take a break. If you want something easier, try artichoke capsules or liquid extract. Most people take 2 capsules per day, but as always, make sure to follow the instructions on the package. Contraindications. Don't take artichokes if you have low blood pressure, if you take blood pressure medicine, or if you have heart problems. Remember that artichokes also lower blood pressure, so make sure to ask your doctor before adding them to your daily routine. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.